So guys, if you have this problem that app is not installed in many Android application when you download APK file, and there is one error showing app not installed. So I will show you the solution of this problem. First you have to go to the settings option and click on the search bar, and in the search bar you have to search unknown source. Okay, unknown, sorry, typing mistake, unknown. Okay, you can see install unknown apps. So you have to search this unknown apps and go to this option, and here you can see install unknown apps. So simply go to this option, and here you have to search Chrome application, so Chrome web browser, and now you can see allow from this source. So you have to enable this option. Okay, simply enable this is one trick, install unknown apps, and you have to allow this Chrome web browser, and this problem will be solved. And this is the first trick. Now you have to again do one thing, go to your Play Store. Okay, and after going in your Play Store, click on your profile, and you can see this is my ID, and here is one option, Play Protect. So simply tap on this Play Protect option. Okay, and after you go to this Play Protect, you can see settings option at the top right. So simply click on this settings icon, and again here are two options. So you have to simply disable this option, you have to turn off this, both option you have to turn off, this also turn off. So this is the trick guys. Now you can restart your mobile phone and you can install that app without any error. So this problem will be solved, app not installed problem, after you restart your mobile, and again you have to try, maybe this trick will be work. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So bye bye guys.
Can anybody out there